Hi, welcome to Learn Week. This week I was able to learn how to do this. It's kind of cool. I mean, it's not perfect, but for only 3 days of practice is a really cool skill. Well, you guys gonna see how I was able to learn it and how I was progressing every day. It only took me 3 days to learn it and only 4 hours and 20 minutes of practice, something like that. So enjoy! This is day 1 and I started really bad. I'm dropping down all the cards. My technique is a little better, and at this point I think I was practicing for about an hour. As you guys can see, I'm getting more control. This is day 2. This is day 3 of the challenge, and at this point I'm getting good at doing this. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's actually progress. And it looks good. Okay, that one looks good, so it's approved. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna keep improving this skill, but I'm not gonna be practicing for an hour a day. Now it's just gonna be something I'm gonna do on the side. But it looks really cool. Hi, if you got to this point of the video, please subscribe and give like to this video. Because I want to keep making these videos. It's actually fun. From the next week, I'm gonna be learning how to solve a 3x3 blindfolded, hopefully. That's pretty much it. So, if you have any recommendations, please put it in the comments. If you think I can improve these videos somehow, please put it in the comments so that I can read it, and then I will be able to learn about it and make these videos a little bit better. So, that's it. Goodbye. And wish you luck if you want to learn this beautiful trick. Bye. Hey, you can look my other video where I learned how to solve a 2x2 blindfolded, or you can subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Bye.